Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, ventilated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.